History me I tell me I look on live. Watch me China friend them. Dog them I eat. You know what I mean? Yeah. Real life dog. This are in a Jamaica. This are not China.
A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. So, on hear it for yourself now. All along, it was speculation. Many people say, them not trust them people because they hear say them I eat DONKEY. Now, them gone with the DOG. And this is not something where happen in a China. It happen in a Jamaica land we love. See it? Only can WhatsApp me, I pin the number if you want to see the video. The man hold the camera in a video, the man them a CUT up the DOG and cleaning it up and I talk to them. And the man then just do it like it's a normal thing. Tell me now. So them man then look like it's like them up on a work site or something, and me know none of them man go catch them. Me know say almost one of them Jamaican man there go catch them. Zin and carry go give man them and sit down and watch. Jano Star. The problem I have with the video, in a Jamaica we no eat DOG. Another problem now. What if some of the people in we run restaurant are cooking these DOG and giving people for some form of MEAT? You understand what I say, guys? So that was my concern. So when I see the video, it's like this a first, may I say a full video with Chinese, I do them something there. In a Jamaica with a Jamaican a video it. See? So I'm fully convinced enough of them restaurants are maybe serving some MEAT where we don't know about. So guys, may I beg you now, is either want to stay far from some of them Chinese restaurant there, or on cook on food on the yard. Zin? Yeah man, cook on food, buy on your own MEAT, season it up, cook it. Because when a video like this I circulate with them man, I do them thing in a Jamaica, guys. In a normal. That's why I buy my things and I cook. I don't eat a restaurant again, I cut it off. So if I did eat something like that before, well, so be it. But now that I know that they're in Jamaica, they are doing these stuff, and they're not ashamed of them game and just a video them and them a talk. I could listen to one next part of the video. Drive and listen.
History me I tell me I look on live. Watch me China friend them. Dog them I eat. You know what I mean? Yeah. Real life dog. This are in a Jamaica. This are not China. Yeah. Yeah. Taka. Gooda. Eh? Gooda.
You pick a money.
Oh, what is money? Understand? Yeah. This is all China deal with dogs in Jamaica. You know what I mean? So people try to lock up on the dog. If you see them start missing, you know what go on. What if a dog I eat around here? You know what I mean? Live in a China, live in a Jamaica. Jamaica, live.
So me know when I comment when I think about that. Is it okay for the Chinese them to eat the DOG them? Is it alright for them coming to Jamaica and do them thing and practice them thing? Let me know in the comment what you think. Would you not still go on Chinese restaurant go buy food after seeing these videos? Let me know what you think. What do you want lady say to me say, dear man, you know see all like DOG them are missing. I say, what you mean? Yeah. I one lady a complain say she did have 5 and all of a sudden I want she see and she don't know where they stray. Gone. So I say, you know, say DOG always a stray, especially when I the man type. She say, no man, something alright. But lady, me take back my chat. Now I see the video here, I'm convinced. So it is what it is. So I can say I bring awareness to all who can relate to me. Alright? Yeah. Alright guys, so we'll left with the next video. When we don't know on Friday and so I have to make you get a smile or feel a vibe. So yeah, I could drive and listen to a little piece of Mixup.
Yeah, good morning, Raga.
Blessings.
At the first time for your program, big up, straight up, you know, say your program, sell off.
Welcome to the family.
Totally.
All right.
Yeah.
So
Mr. Raga, may I have a piece of Mixup for you.
Rinse it, baby, rinse it. Make them know where I go on.
My baby father drive truck. You see, go a man to go beer.
Yeah.
him left Friday morning and say, him a go down with the truck.
Yeah.
And him not come up until this morning.
Right.
So him call me now Friday about in the afternoon.
Yeah.
And him said to me, say, yeah, all right, babes. Me say, yeah. Him said, the pin them all right. Me say, yeah. Him say, all right then, me see you. But late Sunday night, early Monday morning, I say, all right. Rather, I know, say about 2 minutes after my phone ring. So I see him number, I say, come up. So I say to him, I answer the phone, I say, yeah. Him say, oh yeah, answer me, say, babe, you vexed me. So I say to myself, say, no, I'm not vexed. So I say to him, no, I'm not vexed. So I say, after the wicked start out there when I get Friday night, oh, you see I go on, so. So I say to myself, Friday night, start out. After I get the start out from your Friday night. Yeah, now Sonia, stop going some man.
Boy.
So I say, Sonia.
And what you name?
Sonia.
What your name?
I name Pat, I'm here, baby mother. Yeah, now.
Hold on there.
And I come go on like say no hear me. But before I got to him come up this evening out of doing things them there.
Out of doing things them there.
Out of door, come I forgot find a place at Sonia. We give the wicked start out Friday night. Come in a think Sonia could have started him out wicked and me come start out the boy before I go down Friday night. Yeah, and I'm gonna come call and talk about say oh Friday night. This time start out at me Friday morning. And so when I get the what left start out later. And I come talk about the things them about wicked start out where we get. Yeah, I can't tell them I couldn't wait till daylight for call you. I couldn't wait till daylight for call you and tell you out of door them things them I go.
Out of door. So wait till I come back tonight, yeah.
I say, rather than if I come back from this morning so that me and the pit them could I get deal with for go to school and come and work.
Right.
You can't show him face because I realize that me him called by mistake instead of Sonia.
My God.
So me know Sonia she good at listen to your program so she better know, she better start.
Anyway, guys, big up on yourself. Thanks for watching. And so, no, in the next vlog. And go and enjoy the beautiful Bagwa Gorge. Yeah. Just past Flatbridge. And head to Upper Prospect. Yeah. I think out there's Omar live. Go check Omar and hear my video with. So, big up on yourself, guys. Happy Friday. Put God first with everything. And remember, be careful on Anyama Road. Be careful at restaurant they wanna go. Alright, if you're interested to see video, please message me 876-277-3254 live in Jamaica in living color. Alright, big up on yourself. I'm out. Tell him don't worry, mix up boss about a thing. Everything's gonna be now, every little thing. Gonna be alright. Beautiful Jamaica, wake up this morning. Me a smile with the rising sun. Listen, 3 little neighbors them, hear them? Beside my, what them a do? Singing sweet song. A melody and few them singing. This is a message to Tell them don't. I'm out.